Welcome back to my channel, beauties. My name is Alicia if it's your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you my recommendations for the Sephora VIB holiday event. So the sale is going to be from November 5th to the 15th. Rouge members get to start shopping from the 5th with 20% off. VIB starts shopping from the 9th with 15% off, and Beauty Insiders get to start shopping from the 11th with 10% off. So for me personally, I love to use this time of year to try new things, and usually those things are like higher ticketed items because 20% off, why not? Okay, so with that being said, let's get into my recommendations. So the first product that I'm recommending is this Gucci foundation. This is what the bottle looks like. It's just so cute. I brought this foundation with me on my trip because I wasn't using it over the summer, and I literally fell in love with it again. It is the most natural, beautiful skin-like finish, but at the same time, it has like these blurring properties, and so your skin just looks, it's like filtered skin, but super natural. So I don't even know how those two go together. So your skin looks like skin, but it has this beautiful blurring effect. I'm actually wearing this foundation today. I just wanted you guys to have a feel for it. The shade that I have is 350W, and honestly, another thing that I like about this foundation is the undertone. It is like yellow. It matches me. Like really, usually I have a hard time matching myself. I either have too orange, too red, too yellow. I don't know, but this one is like a nice golden yellow, so I really like the undertone of this. They did really well with this. The pictures that they show on the website for this foundation is really bad, but I just picked by reading the descriptions. So just if you're gonna look into it, you can read the descriptions and you'll probably do a lot better. So my next recommendation is this Fenty Powder. In all fairness, this is my first powder foundation, but I don't feel like I need another one. I'm wearing this again today. This thing is so amazing. It literally blurs your skin. It just blurs your skin. Yeah, and I swear it has some type of filtering effect because whenever I take pictures in this foundation, the pictures they just blow me away every time. Like I forget how good this is. And I'm talking about just using it by itself, not like how I did it today. I layered it on top of my foundation, but using it by itself. Like I'll look at myself in the mirror and I look good, but then I take a picture. Like honestly, I feel like everyone needs to try this at least once. It is just that good. So the next thing I recommend is this Guerlain lipstick. A lot of you are interested in this lipstick, and I feel like I've never actually talked about it. So this is the Guerlain refillable lipsticks. So the lipstick is sold separately than the case, but I feel like it's just totally worth it. I have a matte shade, and this is like just a matte pink. I wear this pretty much every day. Look at how cute the packaging is. And then what I love about it is the customizable tops. It's like a color and a style for everyone. So I'm not going to blind you guys, but it has a mirror inside. So I have spaces in my teeth and I always have to be checking, especially if I'm eating something. So I love that I don't have to be using my phone. I just open this up, look at it, and of course, get it and reapply your lipstick. So I really love this. I love the formula. It's creamy. It's a matte, but it's a very comfortable matte. It's not drying at all. And not only that, this is just so cute to carry in your purse. They have like ones with diamonds on it and everything, which I'm going to probably pick up this time around. I absolutely just love these, and I can't wait to get some more shades. The next product that I recommend is the ABH Magic Touch Concealer. That concealer, which I no longer have because I showed it to my sister and she fell in love with it, so I just left it with her. So I do have a review on that concealer. I honestly did not expect it to be as good as it is. It is just beautiful. You can get that good full coverage, but I love how creamy it is, so it's not pulling on your under eyes. It's just a beautiful formula. If you're looking for a new concealer, I definitely recommend that one. My next recommendations are these Sephora Lip Stains. During the VIB sale, the Sephora products are going to be 30% off. So this is a good time to try some new Sephora products if that's what you want to do. So today on my lips, I'm wearing number 2, and it is just a beautiful nude. So these are already affordable and they're comfortable, and they have like a million colors. Like I have 4 of them, so I feel like everyone could find what works for them. So yeah, if you just want to try out a good liquid lipstick that isn't too drying, then I would definitely suggest the Sephora Cream Lip Stain. So my next recommendation is my Fenty Skin Remove It All Cleanser. Don't mind the bottle, it has been through it, but you guys know I say this all the time. I love dual purpose products, and this is a 2-in-1 cleanser and makeup remover, and it actually does the job and does it very well. Not only that, after I use it, my skin feels so hydrated, so soft, and so supple. I don't know what's in there, but it is actually really good. So this works for me, and I'm definitely going to be repurchasing it. I talk about this probably every single chance that I can get, but honestly, I'm in love with this setting spray. I don't feel like there's a better one out there. This right here is it. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Your makeup is not going anywhere. Even if you do not use a primer, your makeup is not going anywhere. But not only is it not going anywhere, it's still going to look just as good as it did when you first applied it. And that is what I love about it. That's what I feel like it sets it apart from the other setting sprays. So if you have been thinking about it, it's the time to go and pick it up now. So this is actually an affordable item, and this is the LYS highlighter, but it's so pretty and it's new. I just figured I had to show you guys. This is rose gold. I'm actually wearing it today. I haven't stopped wearing it since I got it. I'm in love with it. It's just so pretty. Not a chunky glitter, but glow from within type of glitter. So if you haven't tried anything from LYS, this probably be the time, and definitely check out these highlighters. So lately I've been picking up a lot of different blending sponges. I don't know, some type of blending sponge kick I've been on. I feel like I fallen in love with some, but nothing compares to the original Beauty Blender. And I know a lot of people say they're not about to spend that money for it, but I'm just saying, what I have realized after using all these sponges is that is just, there's something completely different about that. So I feel like if you've been thinking about it or just wondering if you should try it, you should definitely go ahead and try it. It is so different from the rest, and I'm not saying the others aren't good, because I do have other favorites, but the original Beauty Blender is just something special. So this is the time I would say to definitely just splurge and pick one up. So I have two of these Valentino sprays, and Born Aroma is my absolute favorite. And right now they have a gift set that is a very good deal. So I'm going to pick that up. And if you guys like sweet, bossy scents, then, you know, this one I feel like is a winner. The next scent, which I actually have a sample of, is the Carolyn Herrera Very Good Girl. Guys, I am addicted to it. Like, I literally have been just putting it on just to put it on. It is just something about it. It's like the most bossiest scent of all bossy scents. So I'm definitely picking that up. It is pretty pricey, and 20% off right now is a perfect time to pick that up. So yeah, so that's all I have for recommendations for you guys today. Thank you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. What are you going to be picking up at the sale this year? As always, thank you for watching my video.